guys, and welcome yet again back to HitPaw's official YouTube channel. Now I'm wondering, have you ever came across this problem? So you're using a video editor to add text into your video. You've already edited, you've spent a long time trying to create it, and then as soon as you go to try and download it or export it, it either pops up with how much you've got to pay for it, or it drops that horrible watermark in the bottom corner that everybody can see. Well, today is your lucky day. So today I'm introducing you to HitPaw's online video editor, which will allow you to add text into your videos without any watermark. It is 100% free, and you're never going to have to worry about them watermarks ever again. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be showing you how to do that now. So if you head over and visit HitPaw's online video editor at their official website, which is at the link right there, select add watermark, and all you've got to do is simply upload the video you need and then add text. Click text and then add text, and then simply write in the words you need, such as use HitPaw online video editor now. You can adjust when this phrase appears and when it ends. If you have more text that needs to be added on, you can just click again on add text. Repeat the process before. The text will appear at the bottom left corner. If you need to move it, just drag it wherever you placed it. You can also change the text type, the font size, color, even the outline color, and also the background as you want. Simply click save and then download to save the video and text after all the settings you've just done. And even you have to admit, that was super easy. Now you're going to be able to add text into your videos without any more hassle with those watermarks, and you can do this as many times as you want. So if the solution we've just went through did help you, don't forget to like this video, drop your comments down below for how it worked for you. And as always, don't forget to subscribe, notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our further videos. And just as always guys, thank you very much for watching.